Hesci everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these beaded tassel earrings. Here's what you'll need. 8mm or larger beads, size 11 seed beads, a beading needle, Nymo thread, needle nose pliers, scissors, and earring hooks. First I'm going to take my Nymo thread, this is size B, and I'm going to unravel about an arm's length. Then I'm going to thread my needle by placing my needle on my thread and leaving a little tail. Now I'm going to bring the thread all the way down to the end of my fingers and hang on to the end. Next you're going to pick up 8 white beads. Bring those all the way to the end of the thread. I like to wrap the thread around my index finger so that the beads don't move around. Next, go through all of the beads with your needle. Pull your needle all the way through. This is going to create a loop. Now just tug at your thread a little until it creates a circle. Next, you're going to go back through all of your beads 2 to 3 more times. This is going to reinforce your circle. Once you've done this, you can go ahead and add on your big bead. Next, you're going to pick up 20 white beads. Bring those beads all the way down and then go ahead and pick up 2 of each color. Next, add 6 white beads and bring those all the way down. Now we're going to separate our last bead from all the others and use our needle to go back up through all the other beads. You don't have to go through all the beads at once, but you're just trying to get through all of them. Once you make it to the top, you're going to go through your big bead as well. Pull your needle all the way through. Then you're going to hold on to your very last bead and pull until everything comes together. Be sure not to pull it too tight. Now we're going to take our needle and go through the top loop, pull it all the way through, and then go back down through our big bead. Now you just repeat these steps 2 more times. There's so many ways to customize this pattern. Now that you know what to do, you can try out different colors, different sizes, different lengths, and really make some cool earrings. I'd really love to see what you all come up with, so if you'd like, you can follow me on Instagram at woodco.moon and share your creations with me through DMs. Now that we've reached the end, we're going to end it by creating a couple of simple knots at the top. So just go through the middle loop and then back through. And I usually do this a couple of times just to make sure everything's secure. Next, you can cut your tails and then use a lighter to burn off the ends. Last, we're going to add our hooks. So just take your needle nose pliers and open up the clasp, and then add your earrings on and close the clasp. And just like that, you're all done. I hope you all have enjoyed this simple earring tutorial. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss out on new content. Mado, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.